West Coast Park, where the harbor meets the sky. Dark clouds rolling as the day says goodbye. A humble sampan drips in the foreground low, weathered and waiting with nowhere to go. Dark clouds over West Coast, the sunset bleeding through, white yacht gleaming, red ferry cutting blue, cranes in the distance, standing tall and still, whispers of the sea on this quiet hill. The luxury sails tall against the stormy gray, while the old houseboat sways in its humble way, and hostile lights flicker far on the shore as the sun dips low, painting shadows once more. Dark clouds over West Coast, sunset bleeding in through, white yacht gleaming, red ferry cutting blue, cranes in the distance, standing tall and still, whispers of the sea on this quiet hill. Worlds apart on the water, rich and warm by time, under the same heavy sky, sharing the same ride. The storm might be coming, but the light breaks free in this fleeting moment. We're all out at sea at West Coast Park.